Hazrat ibn Sirin states that Abdul Rahman bin Abi Bakra and a man who I think is superior to me, both of them have reported from Hazrat Abi Bakr radiyallahu anhu that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam addressing the people said, "Do you know which day it is?" The peoples replied, "Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam know the best." The transmitter states that they thought that perhaps he would give that another name. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, "Isn't it the day of sacrifice?" We submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, why not?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, "Which city is this? Isn't it the sacred city?" We submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, why not?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, "Your blood, your property, your honor, and your skins are forbidden to each of you, as is the sanctity of this day of yours, this month of yours, this city of yours. Tell me whether I have conveyed it to you." We submitted, "Yes." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, "O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, be witness, so let the present convey it to the absentees, for sometimes he to whom the message is conveyed retains it better than the conveyor." So it happened thus. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Don't lapse into infidelity after me, chopping one another's neck." The day when Ibn Hadrami was burnt, whereas Jariya bin Qadama burnt him, he said, "Cast a glance at Abu Bakr." The people replied, "Here is Abu Bakr who is watching you." Abdul Rahman bin Abu Bakr narrates that my mother, with reference to Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu, told me that if they had entered my house and attached me, I would not have struck them with a stick. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 7078.